I tried to record some video of these headphones glowing in the dark up close to see if I could get a better look at it for you guys and portray it on camera. Hey Warenoticers, Shane here, coming at you with another awesome technology video. And today, folks, we're going to be unboxing this guy right here, a special glow-in-the-dark ambush edition of the Powerbeats, specifically the Powerbeats 4. So these guys right here, for all their special edition, this will run you up a bit more than the standard Powerbeats in just a regular color, because these guys go for about $200, whereas the regular Powerbeats, I found some websites selling them for like $100. Whereas the regular price is $150. So either way, you're paying essentially between $100 to $50 more for these headphones. So let's get to getting them out of the box and seeing if it's worth that extra money to have headphones that glow in the dark. So here we go, guys. So anyway, folks, here we are up close and personal with this device's box. As you can see on the front, we've got a picture of the actual Powerbeats. They have the Ambush logo right there, as well as Beats logo, and they're in this sort of like slime green color because they glow in the dark. Over here, it says Beats/Ambush, and it says glow in the dark. Anyway, if we come over here, once again, Beats/Ambush. Over here, it talks a little bit more about the Powerbeats, as well as shows a picture of them, as well as their carrying case. So it says they're glow-in-the-dark wireless Bluetooth earphones, custom carrying case, and lightning cable. We already probably knew that. Over here it says music brings a glow to my vision. That's actually kind of funny because these do glow in the dark and they do play music, obviously. So yeah, let's just open up this box and get right into it because I'm really curious just what it's like to have glow-in-the-dark headphones. So let's see, we can just slide the bottom part of the box out just like this, and wow, this is cool. The inside of the box is that sort of slime green glowy color right there. I wonder if it actually glows. Maybe it's just my eyes playing tricks on me, but sort of looks like it's glowing, but who knows. Anyway, let's come over here and boom, here these guys are. Pretty cool looking, essentially just your standard Powerbeats 4 with glow-in-the-dark color and Ambush logos. So we can just take these out. We've also got some, that's cool, even the ear tips have that glow-in-the-dark color. That is certainly an attention to detail right there, because I don't really know if you can see the glowing when they're in your ears, because they're in your ears, but yeah, whatever. Anyway, over here we got some paperwork. Oh man, we even got a glow-in-the-dark Beats logo right there. That is pretty cool. Beats sticker. Let's see, get the Beats out, blah, 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 paperwork. And also right here, we do have a USB to lightning cable for charging these headphones. Unfortunately, no, these headphones don't charge via USB-C, they charge via lightning. So, I mean, maybe if you're an Apple user, you already have an iPhone, maybe you think that's good news because you can just charge them with your iPhone's charging cable, but yeah, it really depends. And here is the carrying case. Man, for calling it a custom carrying case, not gonna lie, my instant first impression is this feels like super cheap. Extremely cheap. This feels like a little plastic like bag you'd get something from like the grocery store in and then like throw away. Like I don't even know, but yeah, this feels very cheap. I don't like this. But anyway, we'll put that to the side and we can put all this stuff to the side and let's actually take out the actual headphones. So we can just pop them out just like that. And then, folks, here they are. So now real quick, guys, if we just take a look at these headphones, they are so green, absolutely colored in this glow in the dark color. So yeah, anyway, you know what? I'll just put them in my ears real quick. Let's see. So right here, we've got the right one. Right here, we've got the left one. So it goes like this then. I can come right over here and put them in. And voila. Now they're in my ears. Ooh. Got to get the hook over here in this one as well. And now they're in my ears. Definitely a snug fit right there. And yeah, let's get them connected to my iPhone. Anyway, folks, now fast forward to when it is dark outside so we can really test out the glow-in-the-dark capabilities of these headphones well. Basically, I've already set them up, paired them with my iPhone, listened to some music on them, and now I'm ready to show you guys the glow-in-the-dark. I've already seen it for myself, so anyway, here we go. Hey Siri, turn my lights off. And now I don't know if you guys can pick this up on camera, but this is what they look like in the dark. And yeah, guys, now with the lights back on so I can see, as you probably saw in that clip, I just watched it back too, you can barely see the Powerbeats Ambush glow in the dark version with the lights off on camera. So I tried to record some video of these headphones glowing in the dark up close to see if I could get a better look at it for you guys and portray it on camera. I also took some of these night mode pictures of the headphones as well, using the iPhone 12 Pro Max's own night mode built into the camera app. I found that the night mode almost like it definitely exaggerates the glow in the dark of these headphones quite a bit. The headphones don't glow that much. And then sometimes with the video too, you couldn't see how much it was glowing. Like I could visibly see it glowing, but the video could like barely see it. So basically I will say visibly what I can see, it seems like the glowing in the dark on these headphones is pretty faint, unfortunately. Even when I put these headphones for quite a bit amount of time directly under a light source and then turn off the lights and try to see the glowing in the dark, unfortunately it's pretty faint. And to me, it seems almost like sort of like a gimmick to pay an extra $100 to $50 to get a glow-in-dark version of these headphones. Anyway, guys, now moving on, now that we've talked about the glow-in-the-darkness of these headphones, I'll just really quickly go over what is the same in these headphones as on the regular Powerbeats 4, basically just standard information about the Powerbeats 4. If you want, I'll actually link my unboxing of just the regular version of these headphones down below if you guys want to watch that video as well. But basically, first of all, we can talk about audio quality on these headphones. As I said in my initial video about the regular version, it's just okay, nothing to write home about. But the bass is pretty good in these headphones, so that's one nice thing. But yeah, another thing too, the touch controls on these headphones, you can use the Beats logo in your right ear to pause and play your music. So if I tap it once, now music is playing, so I can enjoy that. And if I tap it again, we can pause that. And then also the button on the top of the right earphone, you can press the front side of the button. It's a volume rocker to turn up the volume, and you can press the back side of the rocker to turn down the volume. So that's pretty nice. And yeah, over on the left earbud, the top button, that's going to turn on and off the earbuds. And now, since you guys know all about these headphones, that'll wrap up my nice, quick, easy unboxing of the AMBUSH glow-in-the-dark special edition of the Powerbeats wireless earphones. So basically, just to reiterate, I personally don't think it's worth spending the extra $50 to $100 to get this $200 pair of glow-in-the-dark Powerbeats. If I was going out to get Powerbeats, I would probably just want to just buy the regular version, especially because you can get those in red too, and I actually like the red color. And I don't think it's worth spending all that money to just get a sort of faint glow-in-the-dark version. I mean, it doesn't even glow too brightly. But anyway, guys, definitely let me know down in the comments what you think. Would you spend the extra money to get the glow-in-the-dark version? Would you spend less money and get the regular, or would you just not buy either? Definitely let me know your opinion, because I do read all the comments, by the way. And with that, guys, if you enjoyed this video, definitely be sure to smash the subscribe button and subscribe to the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel for more awesome technology videos just like this one. After all, I do love all my subscribers, so if you want my love, you know what to do. Smash the subscribe button and I'll love you. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for subscribing. Warenotice out with the AMBUSH glow-in-the-dark edition of the Powerbeats. Bye.